Good morning. Welcome to the Dr. Raj and Jani Spiritual Guru Show. We're here to make you all around perfect. We provide the best information on how to marry traditional medicine with different natural spiritual modalities. We just talked about Ebola. Our condolences to Dr. Martin Salia. I do think now Ebola is definitely real. I thought it was a media blitz or an issue, but we need to take care of ourselves, wash our hands, and prevent the spread of this. And also watch out what countries you go to or people you see. Fist punch versus shaking their hands. The next topic of my personal, I have such personal emotions towards this topic, are stem cells. Stem cells are the most important invention since antibiotics in medicine. Stem cells save lives. We have so many unnecessary surgeries on an orthopedic level, shoulder and knee surgeries that are being done, which could be cured by one simple injection, stem cells. We've been blocked for decades because of our government, because of lobbyists feeling that stem cells were fetal stem cells, and abortion, they were connecting abortion on all of these topics to stem cells. But guess what? You can actually get stem cells from your own body. That's the best part of it. Adult stem cells, your own stem cells, that cure your own body's illnesses. This is how powerful this is. I mean, Jenny, I've done, over the past year, I've done about close to 100 different patients, stem cells, and I've had 99 out of 100 amazing results who've avoided surgeries and who are doing great.
Wow, but this is not approved yet by the FDA, correct?
Yeah, the FDA has approved certain parts of this. They've approved the technique of extraction stem cells. I mean, there's an aspect of what a medical doctor can do, and there's an aspect of what is accepted in society. So the way I extract stem cells through a technique called the harvest system is accepted as long as I don't manipulate it. So if I take your stem cells from your pelvis, which we've been doing for decades in orthopedic surgery, and inject it into your joints, that's what's new, versus injecting it into a surgical site. But as long as I don't take it and mix it with concoction of stuff or take it home with me and grow it, and it's all done in the same surgical center, that's what's acceptable.
Why is that more acceptable?
Well, I think we've been stigmatized for years. My most favorite athletes, Alex Rodriguez, Kobe Bryant, classic examples. Tiger Woods, I'm not a golfer. I don't see you being a golfer, too.
Oh, no, I'm not a golfer, but I do yoga, but we're going to talk about that later.
God, we're going to fight later, that means. I got my opinions on yoga, but back to stem cells. The thing is, what happened is the Bush administration put a ban on it. Lobbyists back in the 80s and 90s envisioned it as fetal-based stem cells. We got smarter. We started saying, okay, we can take your adult stem cells, which are actually better than fetal-based stem cells because fetal-based stem cells can cause tumors. Your own stem cells will not cause tumors in you. And we can inject your joints. I think we're going to revolutionize this whole world. We'll be living to 150 or 200 soon.
But because I work with another stem cell expert, and, she is trying to get the FDA to make it where they can use stem cells for hearts, because it actually can help you recover from heart disease. So you think about how many loved ones, we all have someone, you have someone that has died or has suffered from heart disease, and stem cells can actually, your heart will regenerate and can become a healthy heart again, and that's amazing. That's like medical, miracle, science.
It's incredible. You can take your whole body. I mean, stem cells. I have 4 people who have Parkinson's who are friends of mine. Now there's a study out of Sweden recently, 2 weeks ago, that talked about injection of stem cells into the spinal cord or brain, and they talked about reversing the dopamine effect in Parkinson's. We are actually on the advent of something huge, and people do not envision. I mean, I'm going to break it down simple and stupid to my co-host Janny and to the rest of the world. When we cut ourselves or when we break our bones, how do we heal? We assume it's just natural. We assume it should happen. It's all about stem cells. I mean, what happens is our bodies, our platelet growth factors, attract stem cells to the site. It's the stem cells that transform bone to bone, that transform muscle to muscle, ligaments to ligament, cartilage to cartilage. This is what induces healing. We just walk away and say, wow, our fracture healed. It's all about stem cells. If you have no stem cells, you don't live. You can't heal.
Well, how readily available are stem cells to the public? Because, I've had no doctors offer me stem cells. Like, is it covered by insurance? Like, what's the deal?
It's not covered by insurance, and that's the issue. And you also have to go to a doctor who is actually a little more forward-thinking, such as myself. I mean, many of
course, Dr. Ross. We all can't travel to Hollywood, Beverly Hills to see you, though. So
you can go to Dubai then.
Okay, great. Dubai, Beverly Hills, y'all. That's where we can go.
Y'all,
okay, so
giving you 2 options, y'all. I love that.
That's
not
very realistic, though. So as awesome as you are as a physician, and what are we looking for? Are we looking for, when we search for doctors, do we call them? Like what?
No, you know what? You have to actually, what you should do is present it to any doctor and get an opinion. So if you're in New York City, go to your doctor in New York City on Park Avenue or whichever area is in and say to him, what do you think about stem cells? Build up your opinions and start searching online. There are groups, there are support groups.
And just real quick, I'm just so curious, how much is one stem cell treatment right now?
One stem cell treatment, $7,500.
How much?
$7,500.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God, this is an issue this is horrible. Stem cells are only available for the rich. That's not okay.
Right now, that is the problem. And you know what? It's because of these stupid insurance companies who sit there with, and provide these blocks and bans to us. And multiple people could benefit from this, but if we all band together and fight, this could change fairly quickly. So, I know you're frustrated, but stay tuned. I mean, you've got something exciting to talk to us about yoga.
I do. It's not, and this is for everybody, no matter how much you make, no matter how many dollars are in your pocket. It's for the poor woman and man or the rich woman and man.
Can I hurt myself? Let's see.